Hi, I'm Gretchen Sproehnle with Sierra Sotheby's International Realty, coming to you from beautiful Lake Tahoe. And today, I have a very special treat for you. 1455 North Lake Boulevard is a stunning expression of architectural vision and lakeside living. Designed and crafted by its original architect-owner, Richard Whitaker, this one-of-a-kind residence offers panoramic views of Lake Tahoe from nearly every room. Built to embrace its natural surroundings, its unique design features vaulted ceilings, exposed beams, custom woodwork, and Tahoe's iconic granite, reflecting the timeless beauty of the Sierra Nevada. Step outside and experience the best of Tahoe living, with Tahoe's shoreline just minutes away and endless outdoor adventures at the ready. Located less than a half mile from Tahoe City's charming shops and restaurants, and a short drive to world-renowned ski resorts, this home offers both serenity and convenience. Discover the legacy of 1455 North Lake Boulevard, where architectural excellence meets breathtaking natural beauty. Your Tahoe retreat awaits.